Hello traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com and the market's a little mixed today. Let's take a look at things. And right here, the Dow up a little bit, but the NASDAQ and S&P and the Russells all went into negative territory by day's end. The VIX up about 0.5%, hanging around 25 yet again. At the noon video, markets were up quite a bit, and I said don't be surprised if we don't fall back. And this is what we're looking at the S&P. Let me show everybody what's going on here. Get rid of my crosshairs right there. All right, S&P daily. We were way up here, looking really good, but I said we got this big trend line here. Don't be surprised if we just don't come crashing back down, giving us a shooting star reversal pattern right here, and I'm closing back at this line by day's end, and sure enough it did exactly that. What clued me in that might take place, because the VIX was up, the volatility or the fear indicator was up when the markets were up also. And that was telling me that, things could be bad. And also the bank, the financial sector, was dropping when the markets were going up. You can only go up so long with no foundation of the markets underneath you. So in other words, because the financials were falling, were rolling over, it was just a matter of time before the markets did the same thing, and we come crashing right back down. So the big picture here, let's kind of bring it back. I redrew this trend line, this big heavy one. I don't want to take the time to explain it right now. Watch the weekend video that I did. It's called the Weekend Edition. Watch that video. It is a great video that will teach you quite a bit. I did move this trend line, tweak this one right here also. So to get my understanding why I did that, you want to watch the Weekend Edition video that I just did. Now, what are we expecting? It has everything to do with where we close tomorrow, which would be Tuesday. Today's low here is 1022.48. If we close lower than 1022, then we should start a little down leg. I don't know if it'll be 1 bar or 15 bars. I'm not sure. But if we close lower than that, then we have a great chance of pulling back. But we got a lot of support right here at the 1,000 mark here on the S&P daily. But for us to heal, we need to get up over this trend line, close up above it, and then we could still continue northbound with this leg that we're trying to develop. The MACD here is still positive, but we have a deceleration on the histogram on the tick. You can see it getting smaller, but we're still above the zero line, which shows strength. So tomorrow is real crucial on a close below that 1022 level. That's what I'm going to be focusing on. Could be a good day for some day trading. To be quite frank, I'm going to go golfing tomorrow. I called Tuesday golf day for me. Why is that? I don't know. There's no rhyme or reason why I take off Tuesdays, other than I have a brother-in-law that has Tuesdays off. He sells very large motorhomes, big motorhomes, and he has Tuesdays off. So if anybody needs a great deal on a motorhome, let me know. I'm joking. No, I mean, I guess I'm joking. Hey, but in all seriousness, let's talk here. You need to be very careful. Developing traders need to understand that when you get solid rules set in place that you've learned, that's been given to you, that a mentor shared with you, it takes time to develop in those rules, to understand how to utilize those rules in different market scenarios. The markets are always throwing curveballs at us. We're always seeing something new in the markets, and or at least new to a developing trader, something they've never seen before. So what happens is frustration can set in. Do not allow frustration to set in. It is better to sit on your hands than to over trade. Do not over trade. This is a nugget that I want you to take, write down in your journal, learn it, understand it, and that will help you in your own trading. Listen, we are looking for advocates. Watch the Weekend Edition to understand what I mean by looking for advocates, and I'm also looking for rock solid, very well-rounded option traders, rock solid, very well-rounded future traders, rock solid, very well-rounded Forex traders. I'm looking for those. Email me at d7dseven@freetradingvideos.com. Thanks a lot, and hope to see you next month for our mentoring program webinar. It's a 3-day program that we're doing with a follow-up 4th day later on. Give us a shout and we'll hook you up. Happy trading.